What's up guys, today we're going to be doing a picture of the Queen as an anime. First thing to do is going to be, let's have a look on the internet for some pictures of old people. Okay, so I'll start off looking at pictures of the Queen. I really like that little yellow outfit she's wearing, so I went with that. And then I also looked up some pictures of some anime characters, like older anime. And then I went on to make a little board just to have a look and refer back to help me draw a picture. So I'm having a look at my reference picture and I'm just outlining the side of the face and then the nose and just kind of blocking in everything. I'm not worried too much about getting all the details right yet, just kind of blocking out where all the face goes. And I'm having a look at my picture constantly and then also having a little look at the anime pictures just to get a few ideas of how to do the eyes and how they were doing the wrinkles. So I'll just block in the ear and then this part of the neck. Add a little bit of the collar to the outfit and the shoulders. And then start to block in all her hair. Don't worry too much about going wrong at this stage, we're just getting an idea of where everything goes. You can easily rub this out and you're just gonna make a basic shape of where everything's going. And then later on you can add the details in. So you can see here, I'm just changing where the position of the hat is, because I thought it was a bit too high up on her head, and then drawing over it a bit harder. You don't want to be too precious about your pictures, just go in and have a go with it. If you go wrong, just draw over the top and make the corrections over the top a bit harder, and then you can rub it all out at the end anyway. So with our eyes, I was looking at the manga drawings I was looking at, and I've decided to do like closed eyes. It's made it a lot easier and it makes it look like she's smiling loads. And then when I was happy with all the position of everything, I just started going in a bit harder with the pencil and making it stand out a little bit more. So the nose here isn't very anime. I went for how the Queen's nose kind of looked. I think doing the 100 head challenge really helped me to draw faces, or not worry too much about if you're getting it wrong. It's just enjoying drawing different faces and different challenges. So have a look at that if you haven't watched it, because it's really good just to let you enjoy what your face is going to look like. It doesn't have to look exactly right every time, and actually it's quite good fun to draw people's faces and get them wrong because they look kind of funny. And this one turns out quite funny looking as well, which I really liked. When I'm adding her face in, with the mouth and everything, she kind of ends up looking a bit like baby, well not baby, like actual Yoda. But then I suppose Yoda's old, so So again here, when I came to do the hair, I had a look how they'd done it with some of the manga I looked at, and it was kind of like, it wasn't like every strand of hair was really blocky, so I decided to do it that way because it makes it way easier to draw it like that, and it actually looks really nice blocked in that way. So here again I make a little correction just on the hat. So I'd moved it, the rim of the hat, but I hadn't changed the top of it. At the moment it looks gigantic, so I'm just going to edit the hat slightly, make it a little bit smaller on top. And then just rubbing out the extra pencil lines that I don't need to make it a bit more clear to see, and then I'm gonna use my pen just to mark the lines out with. So when we're marking with the pen, it's literally just going over the top, except you might be changing the pen weight a little bit, so I'm just going to speed this bit up. Cool, so she looks a bit funny, but I'm happy with that. I think it looks funny, good. And so I'm just going to colour it in. And again, I'm just going to speed this up because you don't want to watch me just colouring a picture in. There's nothing super clever I'm doing. I put a bit of shade in here just to show like the hat's casting shadow. So I'm only using 2 colours for the face, and then 2 colours for the yellow, one for the lights, yellows, and one for the shaded bit. Cool, so if you like that, give us a thumbs up, and also check out this picture if you like anime. Go on and have a little look at this video, and I'm sure you'll get some good stuff out of that too. Check it out, and I'll see you later.